Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I thought I would, just for the heck of it, see how Shortwave is doing this morning. I'm in my office. I'm using my RSPduo SDR, and I've got a dipole antenna hooked up to it. It's at the peak. It's about 25 feet in the air, and it slopes down to my front yard and backyard. And the thing is, what I've noticed in the past couple of days is all this noise. Look at the noise level. It's way up there. Oh, like minus 80. Well, minus 80 is where I've got the squelch set, but it's minus 90 to minus 100. To me, that's a lot of noise. And you can see it on the waterfall here. I'm at 6.030, which is Radio Martini. I'm using the Cloud Markers plugin to track the frequencies. Tell me, the one thing, there's a couple of little minor problems with this, and the person who wrote this is not supporting it anymore, unfortunately, because this is a pretty cool little add-on plugin, is that it doesn't, and there may be an option for that, it doesn't show you exactly this frequency. It shows you, and I'll move it back up, it shows you frequencies above and below it, and it doesn't center to where the radio is actually tuned. So you have to, since there's so many stations in this area, you have to scroll down to find what's on the frequencies you're on, which there are several. And this even has 2 entries of Radio Martini. And I believe anybody can add to the database. And what still works is you can do a sync, and it will load the latest database. Like I did a sync the other day, and see it's 11/5/24. So this is updated database. If we go to the internet, this is, and the other thing about this thing, it doesn't go away, it stays on the screen. This is WM7D Solar Resource page, which I used to find out what the solar flux index is and stuff. So it's got a nice high solar flux index, 239, but the A index is 9. But you want this to be down to less than 3. So that's where all the noise is coming from, the A index. And I've watched the lady, and I can't think of her name, that does shows about solar conditions. And she's mentioned that right now there's a lot of noise coming out of the sun, excuse me, which, as she says, affects shortwave listening. She said it should go down next week. We'll see. So I'm going to make myself a note of the date and what the indexes are today, and see what they do next week. Hopefully they'll come down. And by coming down, then reception on, whoops, I didn't get what I wanted. Open all pages. There we go. I'm still using SDR Uno instead of the new, I think it's SDR console, because it doesn't have the SDR console. I may be giving the wrong name there. Doesn't have all the features that their original SDR Uno does. So I like this one, and I especially like the ability to do a scan using either limits, frequency limits, range they call it, or using a database that you load in. This is the database, the latest database that John, one of my subscribers, sent me, where he cleaned it up because the EIBI database has a lot of duplicates in it because it lists not only a station, but it lists programs. And so there's duplicates. And if you try to do a scan with this program with all those duplicates, it takes forever because it might, maybe one station on a given frequency might have 4 or 5 entries. So he cleans those out for me. So that's kind of what's going on. Like I said, noise level pretty high. I probably, if I go down to my radio room where I've got my mega loop connected, I can probably get some reduction in this noise because it's a loop antenna. And one of the things it does as a characteristic is it reduces noise like this. That's it. Leave a comment. Tell us, all of us, how your reception's been. Whether you're fighting noise like I am. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.